This beer is now ready, has been rested into the fridge for a week, so the fermentation is finished. I dry hopped, so I add more hop on cold maceration in order to extract more of the hop aroma instead of the bitterness. And now has the right point of bitterness in my opinion, so we should take just the clear liquid and leave the sediment behind, leave the hops behind and transfer it into a new keg. First I clean and sanitize the new container, and I'll need to remove the oxygen from this container to not oxidize our beer. So I just insert gas, CO2 gas in here, and I purge the oxygen. And by doing that a few times, we'll make sure that we removed all the oxygen inside of this tank. Now we'll put at the same pressure, almost the same pressure of this keg. Here we'll need more pressure over here, so the liquid will flow. We'll adjust it in this connection. In this connection over here, we got a tube with a floater that will suck just the liquid from the top, which is now, everything is clear, but if you see, I don't know if you can see over here, we got almost 2 liters of sediment. The rest we got 20 liters that we can remove from here. Okay, and as soon as I connect those 2 lines, the liquid will start flowing here. So get ready, let's go. The liquid is now transferring already, but I'll move on the side like this in order to not splash too much. Anyway, the 2 containers are pressurized, so I will not lose bubbles or gas. It's just a matter of not making much foam in this container. So here the liquid is flowing because we got more pressure over here. We are at 20 psi of pressure, and here there was less pressure, so the liquid is flowing. But soon it will pressurize with the same pressure, of course. So on the blow-off valve, which is this one over here, if we remove a little bit of pressure, we'll see the flow of beer increasing. So now we can leave it like that, no problem. And we'll just keep an eye on, well, on the flow. If it reduces a lot, we just remove some pressure. And we need to make sure, yes, to take all those liters, and as soon as we get close to the bottom, to be really careful and just keep the clear liquid flowing on the second vessel. Right on time. And there we got the brown part, which is dead yeast and some sediments. The image is not really clear. And then the green part, of course, are the hops that has been cold macerating. Now I can remove this. I'm gonna clean this keg. This one is full of beer that I'm gonna adjust the pressure and bottle it in a week. All the beer has been transferred. At the end we got still 21 liters, so we lose 2 liters of sediment as is supposed, plus the beer I drank. Now I'll rest it for 1 more week and then I can bottle it. Ciao.